stop scrolling right now. If you use Microsoft rewards, well, Microsoft just hit the turbo button. And if you miss this, you are literally leaving free money on the table. They just quietly dropped a massive 2x points event. This isn't a drill. For a limited time, your earning potential just doubled overnight. Okay, here is exactly what you need to do to trigger the double points. Right now, the 2x bonus applies to all mobile searches on the Bing app, or completing the daily set and PC searches. Why should you care? Because this cuts the time it takes to get your next cash out in half. That next month of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, that Amazon gift card, or those Robux just got way closer. Normally you'd get 30 points at level 1 for this, but right now you are getting 60 points. You need to make sure you are logged in and check your rewards dashboard to activate. But listen, these events are usually short. This ends on the 3rd of December. Don't wait until the last day. Max out your searches today.